Okay, so this is kind of a good news, bad news kind of a scenario. I've been talking about this for a while, but I think that it was time for a specific video kind of addressing the elephant in the proverbial room. And what I want to talk to you about is I want to talk to you about the month of September. And I want to talk to you about the month of September in the context of Shiba Inu, but also about any and all of the cryptos that you own to know what is coming at you here in September. So with that said, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button and drop a subscribe. Drop a like, hit the subscribe. You know what I'm trying to say down there, please. I would greatly appreciate it. There's Raider. He's giving you his 2 cents as well. Okay, so September is not going to be a great month. Let me give you some facts. In the last 10 years, so going back all the way to 2013, so from 2013 to 2023, in the month of September, 8 out of those 10 years, crypto has been down, period. Think about that for a minute. Bitcoin dramatically down, everything else as well. And the other 2 years, it was only up 2% and 6% respectively. What does that mean? That means that September is going to be a rough month. It is going to be. Coming this month, we're going to have a CPI, Consumer Price Index, inflation data report, and we're going to have the Federal Reserve FOMC board meeting that's going to happen when they're going to most likely announce a yet another interest rate hike. Okay, so you add into that, oh, by the way, just September historically has just not been good for crypto. What does that mean for Shib? That means that Shib is most likely going to probably go down a little bit. Okay. So let me find Shib for you. Right now, we are down, that 2.3% respectively. We're at 507 and change. You can look at it over on TradingView. You can get an even better indicator of kind of what you see over here. We have started this. Sorry, let me do that. We have started this scenario here that we are all used to. If you've been following Shib for a while, where we get this kind of what we call, I call this channeling, but it's also really consolidation, where you get this kind of pattern, right? So we're going to probably see this now for a while. I'm expecting that to just kind of be our new normal. Okay. Now, I think we might have a little bit more downside risk, but I don't think that it's going to be dramatic. I'm not expecting to see Shib fall, a dramatically lower per se from these levels. But I wanted to let you guys know that September is a rough month. September is a really, really effectively a bloody month, right? All a red. And so what's the silver lining? Buy. The silver lining is it's a great time to buy. It's a great time to step in and make opportunities, seize opportunities when they do present themselves. So, again, I got to remind you that I have my indicator here. It's down in the description below. It'll take you to this page right there. Check it out. Monthly, quarterly, annual, 30-day. If you're not completely satisfied, 30-day money back guarantee. With the discount code down there, it takes us to 37 bucks. So check that out. Thank you page right here. 6 or 7 videos, you get up and running. You're good and you're off. It's basically as simple as you can be. You can be up and running in less than 10 minutes. But you can use it to trade any and all cryptos. Like you can see right here, it basically gave a 17% return right there. If you would have had my software and used it right there on the momentum up, bought right there, and then sold in this momentum down, this red, that's what my software does right here. It puts these indicators on here. You would have made 17%. I put that in hard dollars. If you'd put $100 in, bought $100 worth of Shiba Inu, you would have made 17 bucks right there. If you put 1,000 in, you would have made 170. That's a 17% return. But the other side of that is that you would have sold and not taken basically a 27% loss, right? You could have bought, sold, and then not taken that loss. Now you see right here, it did flash a little momentum again, but then it set a momentum up, but then it gave another momentum down. So if you, from that momentum down, even if you would have bought and sold here, this would have been, you wouldn't have really lost anything because it's basically even, right? But this, what happened was it came down, it started flashing a positive sign here, but then the chart turned negative. And so he said, oh, nope, we're going to have to get out. And there you go. But you would have made 17% and not lost 27% right there, as you see on the screen. You can use it for anything, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. This is it working on Bitcoin right here. You can see, like right here, you can see it working and doing its thing for Bitcoin. It works for stocks. This is Apple right here. You can see like right here, this is Apple stock. And just recently, you basically could have, look at this, a 28% return. So again, food for thought, right? So check it out. Definitely would love to have you take advantage of this. There's a discount code down there, etc. So bottom line, remember, we're going to be kind of in this rough territory for the month of September, not really expecting any major movements. So be prepared, for some downward movement, but I don't really expect it to be dramatically a lot, and we'll kind of stay where we're at. See you.